My little install helper. It's not completely, well, it's not completely done, but I needed to make an update video of it.
There's a hole in my heart, my soul is bleeding. I need to free my mind and see what
It's 115 in a ported box with one of the subs missing. So it's leaking, well, of course, all the air out of the 115 that's missing out of it. It sounds real good.
Tired of the
So right now that amp's ran at 4 ohms. So it's maybe getting 1,000, 1,200, something like that. We're fixing to move the amp rack behind the box because he wants to make a change from that right there. So we just got done running some longer RCAs so the amp rack will lay in the back. That's it. Let me know what y'all think.